Ya kwa magojwang en tarika par dwe mar adek higa mar 2025 arwake chenro mar ka gi kacha kablokiloni weche ma oyudo mesa mag weche manyien odiochiengni ma kawuono. Nyinga en James Opondo. Wachako e kaunti ma Nairobi kama oyudo ni jatend piny William Ruto chako limbe mare mar ndalo abich e kaunti ma Nairobi ka odiochieng' ma kawuono olimo kar chung' od bura ma Kamkunji kama nayawe Yanga kar tiegruok ma Kamkunji. Jatend piny osingo omenda maromo milion 50 mar yawo kar tiegruokno, okang' ma owacho ni biro medo bero chenro mag somo ne rawere. Limbe mar Ruto biro tok ndalo adek nyaka ne obed gi winjruok mar tiyo kanyakla gi jatend duond bura mar ODM Raila Odinga.
Hii imeteseka sana na maji taka ile inaitwa sewage. Sewage inaingia kwa manyumba ya watu, sewage inaingia kwa maduka ya watu, sewage inaleta harufu mbaya. Nairobi River iko na sewage, na mimi nataka niwahakikishie ndani ya miaka miwili tutabadilisha hii Nairobi River iwe ni mahali ambapo nyinyi munaweza kuwa na recreation, na mbali na kusafisha mto wa Nairobi, pia tutahakikisha ya kwamba tunajenga nyumba zingine 50,000 ya watu wa Nairobi ya social housing. Kamkunji hoye! Kamkunji hoye! Vile vile mimi niko hapa na viongozi wengi. Wapi niko pale na Deputy President anaitwa Professor Kithure Kindiki. Wapi nduru ya Professor Kithure Kindiki jameni? Niko hapo na Waziri Aden Duale. Wapi nduru ya Aden Duale? Niko hapa na Gavana wetu wa Nairobi, Mheshimiwa Sakaja. Wapi nduru ya Sakaja jameni?
Mokum jotelo mag ODM mawuok e kaunti ma Kwale dwaro mondo moko kuom singo mane oketi e manifesto mar ODM e kinde yiero ma higa 2022 kete tim kaluwore kod winjruok ma obedo e kind jatend piny William Ruto kod Raila Odinga. Kotelnegi kod mane en jaod bura mar kaunti no, Zuleika Hassan, wacho ni en kinde makare mar miyo anyuola ma ok nyal shillings 6,000 ka dwe kaka ne ODM chano timo poni ne Odinga okawo loch. Bende gidwaro ni lipode duto mag mibadhi mondo olu kendo jogo duto ma itudo kod mibadhi kawnegi ondamo mar chik.
Tunaomba pia ile sasa 6,600 iliyosemekana baba aliyosema itakuja kwa wananchi ambao hali zao za kiuchumi sio nzuri, sasa ianze kutekelezwa. Tuanze kuona ile 6,000 kila mwezi ikija kwa familia ambazo hawajiwezi. Alafu na kitu chengine ambacho tunaomba ni kuwa ile elimu ya bure iliyoahidiwa iwe ipatikane kutoka nursery mpaka university.
Na tuna imani ya kwamba yale yote ambayo ameyataka kuyafanya kwa miaka yote katika hiki kipindi cha miaka miwili ambapo muungano huu utakuwa yatatekelezwa.
Tunashukuru, ni hatua moja. Sasa Kenya ni iendelee, vijana tupate ajira, vijana tushughulishwe kwa miradi tofauti, hata huku nyanjani kukija miradi pia sisi venye ODM sahi inashirikiana na serikali, nafikiri tutapata nafasi.
Rakruok nobedo apaya magadi e kinde ma jopuonjre mag mbalariany ma multimedia ne rakore gi obila e kinde mane ging'anyo. Apisas mag obila nowito iro malungo wang' ke jopuonjrego mane olokore kendo bayo obila gi kite. Rakruok ma kamano biro ndalo achiel tok japuonjre mantiere hike mar 2 tho e yo magalagala odiochieng' ma nyoro. Jopuonjrego koro dwaro ni tim nonro e wi tho mar Lamek Mwangi.
Ndio mawe imeanza.
Sasa toto hapa huyo Lamek tutapata nani details zake? Kuna family ama Lamek tu sijanaliwa. Kwa
Lakteche mag kaunti ma Nairobi ong'anyo ka giywago deko mar osara margi kod rem medo gi ngas mar tije. Romo mane gitimo motelo ne chako ayanga ng'anyo margi. Lakteche go okoni sirikal osebedo ka oketogi kod singo ma ok chopi koting'o rem chopo kaka winjruok ma kanyakla kata CBA mane giketo motelo.
Have fulfilled none of them whatsoever. So today we are here because we want to put pressure to the county so that they can fulfill their promises. Yes. Some of the things which they actually told us, which the county is doing illegally, they're dismissing doctors illegally. Imagine waking up and getting a dismissal letter without any protocols followed, without even a show cause letter, without even any warning letter. And then we have issues of promotions. Doctors are meant to be promoted since 2023. There was a budget for the same. Unfortunately, that has not happened, and we are in 2025. We are being told to wait for the next financial year, which is 2026, 2027. How are we meant to survive? With the inflation of everything around us, now we have SHA, we have house levy, we have everything. Our salaries are being deducted left, right, and center.
Judging from the way you addressed here today, this tells you that we are serious. And we need the county government to take this thing with the seriousness it deserves. We are ready to go all the way until they sort our issues out. I want it to be very clear. Sometimes they think we are joking. You see, as doctors, we only go on strike once because we know our strikes are not a joke. Patients' lives are at risk. We only go for strike like once in 5 years, sometimes even 10 years, because we don't like doing it. So please, Nairobi County Government, we are glad that at last you've taken the seriousness of cleaning garbage in this city. But you're forgetting one serious garbage, the garbage of not taking healthcare seriously.
Josiasa masiro jalup jatend piny machon Rigathi Gachagua dhi nyime gi kwedo piny owacho kuom tiyo gi pogruok mar siasa manitiere kindegi ka itiyo gi thuolono kendo mar thuolo gi oko e tend committees mopogore opogore mag od bura. Gino ma giwacho ni nyiso kwede giseyo od bura mamalo ka achiel gi mar Senate kuom rem luwo chik mar winjogi kapok othulgi oko e tend committees go. Gikoni okang' ma kamano en mana yo mageto thiro jogo masiro Gachagua.
Hizi vitu ambazo mnafanya kupitia kifua, kupitia kuvuruga, because you are just able to get numbers, you want to get the deputy president out, you want to get his allies out of office. Hatuko tunalazimisha kukaa kwa hizo kamati. Lakini kati hizi demands tutoweni kisheria. Niandikie barua, accord me a hearing, understanding orders, basi. Na mimi sikuwa na shida. Hiyo kamati ilikuwa imenichokesha sana. Mimi nilikuwa kwa kamati kubwa kulingana na utaalamu wangu. Sasa nimepelekwa zile kamati za kupika na mambo kama hiyo. Sasa wametufuata, wanataka kumaliza ligi G, alafu sasa wamalize jeshi yake.
Rais Ruto anakuambia sisi hatuko na wewe. Kama Kajiado umetuambia utatupatia Amboseli. Amboseli bado tunangoja 2 years now down the line. Uongo bado tunahesabu. Ndio hii Kitengela umesema utaweka siwa na maji within 2 years. Bado tunangojea.
William Ruto has no moral authority to talk about the unity of Kenyans. He has broken his own house. He has chased away his political wife, that is Rigathi, na watoto wake sisi. Huwezi kutupa bibi na watoto halafu unaenda kusema kwamba unaunganisha nani nyumba ya jirani.
Manakaka wachiriganya kura magojwa ne siasa kikiket e chunyi. Ka dhi nyime eni kwet jodolo mawuok e kanisa mopogore opogore e kaunti ma Kajiado se oganda jo Kenya mang'ur ewi sadaka mar $20,000 manyocha jatend piny William Ruto nochiwo ne kanisa mar Jesus Winner Ministry mayudore e Roysambu. Jodolo koni onge rach ne kanisa kawo sadaka ma jatelo golo gi chunye.
Tusimame hata kama ni president anasimama. Tukisema tuketi ni wakati wa kukaa, hata kama ni president anaketi. Kwa sababu gani? Ni heshima. Na kwa hivyo ikisemekana ni wakati wa sadaka, wanatoa pia kulingana na vile kila mtu anatoa. Nikiwapeleka nyuma kidogo, rais wa kwanza Jomo Kenyatta alijenga kanisa la AIPCA, alikuwa ni mtu wa kanisa. Rais wa pili ni mtu wa AIC, alijenga kanisa la AIC. Zingine hata sio milioni 20 ametoa, hapana, amejenga kanisa yeye mwenyewe ya mamilioni.
Ushauri wangu kwa vijana wetu wa Gen Z ni kwamba hata wanapozingatia kufuata haki yao, hakuna mtu ambaye anawanyima kufuata haki yao. Lakini ni vyema vijana wetu mnavyofuata haki yenu, msingatie katiba ya hinji na sheria ya hinji. Mfuate haki yenu kwa njia iliyo sawa na njia iliyokubalika.
Watoto wetu na wamama, tunaomba tuongeleshe watoto wetu, tuongeleshe wale wako kinyume na mapenzi ya Mungu, ili tusije tukapata ghadhabu. Na tunaomba watoto wetu sadaka ziletwe ili kanisani, na wale wanayeabudu miungu mingine hatujawauliza. Usiku na mchana wanatembea na tunawajua, lakini inapokuja kwa Mungu inakuja wazi. Ile ya giza haisemwi, lakini hii ya Mungu, wacheni tutangaze Mungu, na kuna upendo ndani ya Mungu.
Apisa maduong' mar duol makedo gi mibadhi e pacho ka EACC Abdi Mohamud nyiso komiti mar Senate ni nitiere buche maromo 146 mag piny owacho mag counties ma osechwal ne apis jamin buche mondo okawnegi okang' mowinjore mar chik nowe nyim komitino, kama owacho ni EACC dhi mbele gi timo nonro matut ewi mibadhi masani ogoyo tach counties.
We receive over 3,000, 4,000 reports. When we delay in investigating some of the reports that were forwarded to the EACC by the Senate, it's not by wish, it is just because we are deficient in human resource. And it is not that, again, let me also mention we have a prioritization mechanism where, because of the number of reports we receive, we consider three things for one to take a higher percentage. Number one, we look at the value of the money involved. Number two is the public interest involved, and number three is the personality involved. So it is in that hierarchy that we pick cases, because if we receive 3,000 cases and we are able to process maybe 300 per year, generally and naturally there will be cases that will be dropped or will not be concluded, because every other day a new case comes. So we had to come up with a system to prioritize, and that is the system we currently have in place. So, and it is digitalized. And let me also just mention something the Vice Chair of the committee mentioned about the, I want to tie that to what he mentioned about the Pilau also issue, which was about 4 million. If you follow what I was just mentioning about the prioritization category, that will not come to the top of the prioritization. Because 4 million really, here are cases that are worth billions of shillings. And here, I know it concerns you and it concerns your people, but unfortunately it will not take precedent over other, or it will not come first before the others.